goodness. I regret my decision. Got our work out done, both of them actually. Yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do today. I just figured I would record. I do need to clean out my refrigerator, and if I don't lose the courage, we're gonna share that because it's a mess. My refrigerator always ends up a mess. It is something that I don't enjoy sharing because it's a mess. But yeah, I really need to organize it. I keep seeing all these organized and pretty refrigerators on like Instagram and stuff, and it's giving me anxiety thinking about me sharing mine. But I would love to be able to do that. But just my refrigerator, it doesn't have like a specific spot where stuff goes. It's just you put it where it fits. But I figured we might share it as long as I keep the courage, like I said, and I don't open it and be like, oh my gosh, I can't show people this. So, yeah, that's the plan. This is our element for our stove. I can't do that, though, because it's weird. It's like back in the insulation, the little, you know, the little prong things are. So, I'm not about to attempt that and then burn my house down, because that's what my brain says I'll do if I'm going to do it. So, we're going to wait on John to get home to do that. And then we'll test it out. I hope it works. I hope I ordered the right one. Hope I ordered the right one. You don't know what you got till it's gone. You ever heard that? I'm sure you have. That includes your oven working. So. The tiny tripod. I don't really like it. I don't know why I always use it, because I know where it's at. Anyways, I have the little mini ring light set up on the counter. It was worth it. I got it off of Amazon for $10. I'll link it down below. But yeah, it was nice. It was worth it. I can't actually put my camera on it. If I'm recording with my phone, I can. Well, I can't put my camera on it. I just have to find a little piece to put on it. But anyways, John put the element in. It is working, so that's good. We got it on and just on low right now because it has a little bit of a smell to it. It's new. The review said it would be there. It's no big deal, and I mean, obviously it's a new element, so a little stinky. We're letting that burn off because we don't want to cook anything in there. I look pretty rough. because I took a shower. But I wanted to share something. I seen it on TikTok forever ago. I don't know, months ago. And I finally remembered to buy this stuff and try it. But it's this whatever water. And then black cherry like water enhancer. So good. I don't really like stuff like this that often, but this is really good, guys. So I've never had mineral water. I've drunk like sparkling water and seltzer water. This is carbonated mineral water, and this is probably a favorite. But these little suckers, they cost $1 a piece, or you can get a 12-pack for $10, and I bought them. They wasn't in my budget, but whatever. We'll pretend that didn't happen. And then we had just a little bit. Yesterday when I tried one, I went a little crazy and it made a mess. Cheers. So good. Okay, so someone obviously needs to teach me how to drink carbonated drink. Alright, so about to dive in and clean the refrigerator out. So I don't want to do it, but I need to have it done before I go grocery shopping tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do, and then the oven should be ready for us to make some brownies. I bought them weeks ago and I'm pretty excited about them. Yeah, I'm excited to share because it's a new find. I mean, it was weeks ago, but something I found new, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get this refrigerator over with. I can feel the judgment coming. It's fine. Oh, it's fine. Okay. Let's see what we're working with. This part and this part isn't that bad. This part. This is the, I don't know where it goes, so I'm going to throw it down here section. You have one of those in your refrigerator? And then the doors are obviously a mess. Yep. And then this one, when they delivered our refrigerator and put it together for us, the first time I opened it, this drawer fell out and it broke. That's what we're stuck with. But it's fine. I'm not the person to complain about stuff, so that's what we got. Alright. Let's go. This really isn't that bad. But like I said, this is where everything goes. Like if it doesn't have a home or it doesn't fit somewhere, that's where it goes. That's dirty. Needs cleaned. This really needs cleaned. But yeah, remember I told you we don't go through much milk? We bought this almost 2 weeks ago. I thought it would be gone really quick, so I went ahead and bought another one. That one's still not been touched. We've had that a week, so. We do like coffee creamer though. Alright, let's go ahead and get it done. Some of this Brillo basic cleaner. I'd never seen it before, but I found it at Ollie's for 99 cents, so I figured it couldn't hurt to try it out, and I really like it. I also got a different blue one, 99 cents a piece, and they work good.
Gonna pay off someday, and the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away, 'cause I'm growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart.
Yeah, I totally dropped the wrench and got it all over my leg. Yuck.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there.
You still feel me? It's gross.
You're crazy. It's just chocolate noises.
Chocolate. Go ahead. Watch what you're doing.
Alright, there we go. Looks much nicer now. Wendy helped me with the condiment section. We need to put ketchup on the grocery list. And then I didn't, I just thought.
Probably banana peppers.
Banana peppers?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I was cleaning this out, I remembered I had some of these to fix my drawers in here, and I thought this would be a nice little thing to stick here. And it works. It makes it be able to use the space better now, because used to you couldn't even hardly do nothing with it. So it's nice and clean, at least for today. It probably won't look like this time next week. I almost can guarantee that. Alright, so while I was cleaning the, what are they?
Huh?
Baskets? Drawers? The things that go in the doors anyways. I threw the kids some pizzas in the oven. John had steak, and then I just had some like rice with refried beans and taco seasoning. I mean, taco sauce for dinner. Yeah, that's what I wanted, so that's what I had. And John had steak. The kids are gonna have pizza, and then we're gonna do those brownies. But I got a whole bag of trash right there, and a couple more things I gotta put in that bag. And we're gonna take that down to the trash bin really quick. And then we got some dishes to do. And then brownies.
We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. Oh, We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We're playing loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, so all the cleaning is done. Just kidding. All the cleaning I'm going to do. That's the truth. Yeah, it's all done. My back is hurting pretty bad. It started, I don't remember, but my back is hurting. So I really just want to sit down and do nothing. But we're gonna make these brownies that we found at Kroger. Do you see them? Oreo Funfetti brownies. So, we bought the cupcakes too, and Wendy made them. They wasn't that great. Funfetti is my favorite, but they wasn't that great. So maybe these will be better. We'll see. What was that? I swear. I thought I saw smoke. Anyways, I was probably just tired. Maybe. Hopefully. I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and make these. I still have the oven preheating. I have the oven preheated. So let's go ahead and get this started. So you need oil, water, egg.
Cooking spray added.
So you just make these like this, I guess like normal brownies, and then you just put the Oreos on top. I don't know what makes it funfetti, but that's why I bought it.
Let's go.
So usually when I make brownies, I always use coffee instead of water. If you've seen any of my brownie videos, you know this. But with this being a different kind of recipe, you know, different box mix, whatever, I decided just go ahead and stick with water and just put water into it. So that's what I did with this. These was pretty good. I really like how the Oreo on top it stayed crispy. And yeah, it made it good, but the texture of them was a little weird. It was, I don't know, I would almost use the word taffy to describe it. So it was a little weird. It did taste good though, and the Oreos on top, they was good. So maybe next time I'll just buy the normal brownie mix and put Oreos on top. I really need to learn how to make homemade brownies and make them good. It's not something that I've ever been able to really do. I've not really put much effort into it, to be honest, but maybe. But all in all, they was good, just wasn't a big fan of the texture. So, with that being said, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today, cleaning out my fridge and all that stuff. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, remember to show grace, be content, and live blessed. Until next time, bye guys.